What you doing now, Dave?
Cutting the grass.
Yeah.
With a golf club.
With the golf club?
With a golf club.
We haven't played in over 2 years. This is going to be scary.
Oh boy.
We're Dave and Karen from Watts on Wheels, and we sold our sticks and bricks to RV full-time now that we are retired. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our 2 K&N motorcycles, our DRV Dixie, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video.
We're going golfing. Yep, 2 bags, our duffel bag,
And a cooler.
and a cooler. All fits and zippy. How many mulligans are we going to get, Dave? I got a ball here. It says my mulligan.
That's it for you.
Just one?
Yeah.
Per hole, right?
No. You just got one mulligan ball. All my balls say mulligan.
We are at the Plym Golf Course in Niles, Michigan, about 12 miles away from our cabin. And we chose this one because it looked pretty flat. And it's only 9 holes. And we're hoping we might be able to succeed with 9 total holes today before breaking anything. Here's Dave's first hit in a very long time, couple years.
Oh yeah.
Off to the left. Hit a tree, bounce back into the fairway. Went past the women's tee.
Okay, this is Karen's first hit. In 3 years.
2 years.
2 years. Oh, she got off a pretty good one.
Oh, nice. Hole number 3. 306 yards for Dave, 233 for me, par 4. Ooh, off to the left again.
My mulligan.
Oh, nice. Right down the middle.
Oh, she spanked it. Yeah. Oh.
Bummer. This is a pretty course, well maintained. A couple greens a little rough, but for the most part, for a 9-hole, it's great for practice. And you got a couple of par 5s in it.
Alright, it's the 8th hole.
And here we are. My face is red, isn't it?
What'd you take on that one?
6. We're neck and neck, Dave.
Neck and neck. Next 2 holes, cut through. So golfers want to know, Karen, boobies under the arm or over the arms?
Squished in between.
In between the arms. Oh, we got that one. We're watching it go.
Now I'm thinking about my boobs. My own boobs distracted me.
That's right.
I'm going to try over. Oh man, neither one works.
Neither one worked.
It's hot. It's humid.
A little humid.
And we just played 9 holes.
Bug infested.
Yeah, it wasn't too bad. I got a bug in my eye, so I should have get an extra point off.
I ate a bug.
I thought, okay, we're even then.
Okay.
And how'd you do for your first time in about 2.5 years?
Don't want to talk about it.
But we did keep score.
We did. I did, yeah, pretty lousy. I whooped her ass.
You didn't whoop my ass. We
Whooped her ass significantly.
We both sucked.
Significantly.
We were over on 9 holes. Dave was 21 over, and I was 22 over. We kicked our own asses. You kidding me? Oh my God! 1 point, just one. But we had fun.
I do better in putt-putt.
But we had fun.
We had fun. That's all that counts, right?
You do better in putt-putt, right?
I do much better in putt-putt.
We'll probably try again next week.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll be warmed up by then.
Maybe we'll have only 20 over.
It's time for the 19th hole.
Oh, yeah, baby.
Back at the cabin. Whoa!
Come on back, Sheba.
That was better than liver and onions.
Yeah.
Nice. Whew. Glad I brought some sweat rags, or perhaps they're tear towels. How was that hole for you, Dave?
It would have been easier just to go swimming all day.
Yeah, you know what? We play once in 2.5 years, and we get all cocky. We come back out here the second time, and good God!
Cocky? How do you think we got cocky? We didn't get cocky.
We got sucky.
Yeah, I just figured it couldn't get any worse. Guess what?
It got worse.
It got worse. Yeah,
But we're
well,
still having fun, right?
as long as you're having fun, that's all that counts, right?
Good God, I'm sweating.
Oh, I am too. My balls are dripping.
Which balls? Do you need leaf guard?
I need leaf guard. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Whoa, right past the stick.
You know, we could get a lot more breeze if we'd hit the ball farther.
Yeah. I think we can put these clubs away for about another 2.5 years.
You know what's bad when you gotta have one of these hanging on your bag? And it's not for decorating my hair. That's for counting the strokes, because my abacus doesn't go that high. You're up. Robbed. Hole 6, par 3. Oh, right to the pin.
Ah.
The problem with me is I got a mosquito bite in my ear and it's driving me crazy.
Let's see that then.
It's one of them big pink ticks or something.
Oh my God, look at that.
That thing itches.
Oh, you gotta leave that thing alone. I have a pair of wire cutters so we can get rid of that. Oh. I'm always a quart low and a bucket and a half short.
Usually when we play golf, we don't put our names on here because if we lose our card, we don't want to be embarrassed. So Ginger at the top here was me, Gilligan at the bottom, and this time when we sucked really bad, we tied. Both 20 over. 9 holes.
We got our money's worth.
There you go.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.